Hi guys, this is unboxing review of power bank of Blitzwolf, new model of BW-P12. It arrived with this quite strong box. This is the package of the power bank. Unfortunately, it arrived not sealed. This seal was broken. And there is very long description which connection gives any parameters. Quite confusing. Let's see and unbox it. So this is the package. Very poor description. User manual, just description of each connection and specifications. Only these pages. As I said, I received it not sealed. I even suspect it was opened previously. I would expect to get it in some plastic bag. There was no plastic bag, and this plastic looks not perfect. Also, there is some connection cable. Probably this is for connection to micro USB. This one. There are a lot of connections in this power bank. It has one micro USB for input, USB-C for input and output, and two USB-A for output. This is power on button. It activates display of current charge. Once I received it, it looks very confusing. What number is it? Is it 89 or is it 68? From my point of view, this should be right direction as long as I'm looking from this connection point, but probably the answer is this. This is 68%. I'll try to connect it. This is a QC3 quick charger. I'll connect it to USB-C. This is the display. As I said, it looks not so easy to understand. And there is no any manual explaining that, but it works. This is the charging. Additional option is when I want to charge my device, phone, etc. They describe that it could charge also low voltage devices like Bluetooth headsets, and they claim that for a low voltage charging you need to press a couple of times on this power button. It's very not easy to remember it. I'll try to connect it now to charge from this power bank to my phone that I use for shooting this video. And the USB-C I'll connect to my phone. Once I connected, now I'm drawing the charge from the power bank to the phone. At phone I see a display that says that it is fast charging, so it functions well. Finally, what can I say about this device? I expect that it does all this charging, but it looks much less beautiful that it is on official photos. It looks quite simple and cheap. Also, it has some description on his back. That's it.